Welcome viewers, I'm Dr. Rajpal, and in this video, one more word from Dr. Shashi Tharoor's book, Tharoorosaurus. And the word is eponym. And here I share the slide with you, the cartoon in which Dr. Shashi Tharoor informed a dinosaur. And this is the thematic word of this book, and this eponym means it's a noun and one whose name becomes that of a place, a people, an era, or an institution. So that is eponym. And Tharoorosaurus, combination of Tharoor, dinosaur, and Tharoorosaurus. So that way it becomes Tharoorosaurus. In its uses, the book's eponymous author keeps protesting that he is nothing like a dinosaur. So that's the uses, and that's the defense of the writer, Dr. Shashi Tharoor, the writer of this book. So this is eponym, and it is being used in connection to the book under discussion, the book under analysis, or the book from which we are learning the words. I hope that you must have enjoyed it. If you are new on this channel, it's my repetitive request to subscribe the channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the coming videos. Thank you for watching this video.